Welcome to our
What's that?
welcome to our YouTube channel. We may be a little awkward at the start. Like if you hear my fan in the background, it's because it's like
hot.
super hot and it's like okay. So we're gonna like
Oh, let's do an intro first.
yeah.
Okay, it's Alexa.
Dominican.
Yeah, I'm
born
Dominican. I was born here. I am actually 16, about to be 17. I know, I look like 13.
I was born over there. I moved here to the Dominican Republic when I was 12. I spent my whole teenage years here. And I like it better here, over here than over there. 'Cause I just don't know. It's a whole different vibe. What do you think? It's just like a whole different vibe. Like you could agree on that. Us Dominicans, you get it.
If you're Dominican, you get it.
Yeah.
Okay, today, the video from today,
We're gonna do like a little chit chat.
advice, maybe.
You know, yeah, because like over here we went to like a private. Yeah, we're still in a private school, so what you see in like TV shows like Gossip Girl,
It's
kind
not
of
the same, actually.
It's not the same. Like
You think?
honestly, there's a lot
There's
of drama.
similarities. There's a lot of drama. Everybody knows everything about you
Yeah.
for some weird reason.
A lot of
They know
rumors,
everything. A lot of rumors.
teachers,
Teachers.
getting into scandalous shit. It's crazy. But
And there's a lot of like rich kids and they think like
Yeah,
they're all
there
this,
is
they're
rich-
all that, like, you know.
They tend to brag a lot, you know.
In many private schools, you could get a teacher to just get fired.
And yes, we use uniforms. It's much better. Like
No.
it's so stressful to pick out your
Outfits.
clothes for like
You don't
the
have a
next
lot of
day.
money. Like you feel good.
Mhm.
I don't know if you get it, but like you feel like
Honestly,
I'm like on a uniform.
It's so hot.
Yeah.
Because the thing is, we use pants in all private schools. They use like skirts, like the girls.
No,
But not
here.
every private school. It's not like exactly
Actually, in this country,
In
the
this
ones that
country.
use skirts are actually mostly public schools.
Oh, this country, they all use uniforms. Like, so there's
Get it.
a lot of drama.
There's
a lot of drama happens. And honestly, that would be like a story time for us to tell you. Because
Another day.
yeah, it's
Too
very
much tea.
too much.
Okay, let's talk about freshman year. How was freshman year?
Freshman year, I hated it.
I
It was
hated it
depressing.
too. Oh. And I found like I tried to be someone that I was not.
I think at one point we pretend to be someone we're
Just
not,
to, like-
just to like fit in.
My freshman year experience was like a lot of things happened, guys. Pero in freshman year, okay, honestly, if I had the chance to like go back, I will tell myself like stop focusing on guys. Like, stop. It's a waste of
It's
time.
not worth it.
They don't even know how they feel. So why would you care? Like why would you stress about it?
But not all guys.
Not all
'Cause
guys,
Not all
no,
guys
no.
are like that. There's
Yeah.
some good guys out there. Trust me.
We can relate that we went through like toxic friendships.
Oh yeah,
and like
especially
relationships.
Hey. I love myself. There was a time where I didn't really love myself.
The worst year of my life was 7th grade, and then 9th grade.
That was 7th grade was the best year of my life.
For her.
And I could do like a story time on it too.
Yeah, in 8th grade, it was the best year.
The thing is, our school is like in private schools they have the whole year, like from kindergarten to like high school.
Private schools in Dominican Republic are way different than the ones from the States.
Yeah,
like,
and
together.
each grade is like one.
One
classroom.
You don't do it
One
like in
class.
public school, like you go to this class to take this subject and this class.
No.
The education system here is really different.
Very different.
How was your sophomore year?
I feel like that year went by so fast. The school that we were in, I feel like we didn't really.
Well, it was not bad. The people in the school was amazing.
Yeah, education was trash. Like that's why that's why it closed down.
Yeah.
It reopened, so I don't know.
Another story time.
Yeah, that's one of the main reasons why we went to another school.
I didn't like her, by the way. We weren't friends until we came here.
The 4 years of us being there, we never talked. Because she was jealous because I was talking to one of her friends. And she was so jealous. Like, so yeah.
Because I thought you were using that person.
I I wasn't.
Because that person liked you.
I mean, that person's probably watching right now.
But yeah, there was a lot of drama going out with her, and I didn't like her because of that, because I made like assumptions like, oh, she's like that because of what people telling me.
Yeah,
That's something that really happens in private school. Like, there have been como mucho rumors.
Like a lot of rumors.
And
yeah.
people assume things. So actually, sophomore year was like alright.
Yeah,
it wasn't
we
that
met
bad.
we met amazing people. Like,
Yeah.
Junior year, we basically changed schools, and we went to the same school.
We're friends.
Yeah, we became friends. We started talking more. That year was very difficult and hard for me. 'Cause we try to make friends with a lot of people. Like, there's till this day, I still want to be friends with some of the people,
but
it's like I just stopped trying.
The first semester, I was actually trying to finish, and it felt like shit, honestly. 'Cause it's like I felt that I was trying to be someone that I was not, just to be liked. But at the end, we made our own group. Shout out to Sahir. What do you expect for senior year?
What I expect.
I want to graduate.
I just want to graduate.
Honestly, I just
know
want
what
to
that is.
study.
Oh my God. I don't know what I want to do either. Like, I love
Graphic
music a
designer.
lot, but I don't know how to sing. So I wasn't born with that talent, and I wish I.
But I could help you. You will love to watch a video, me teaching her how to sing. That would be interesting. Hey, see?
Yeah.
We should do that.
We should.
And see, like, because I'm a true believer that anybody can sing. Obviously, there's people, like you know.
What can you expect from this channel? Is
Variety.
everything of everything.
Expect us to be consistent in a way. You know, school is hard.
Yeah, that's about it.
I
I have different like YouTube channels. Her YouTube is Alex with an X, right?
with a Z.
With a Z. And mine is Chantel. You know,
Subscribe,
like, and follow our social media down
Cool.
below.
Okay.
Sorry, we're just like new to this, and like I feel so awkward on this. But yeah.